Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to make your Windows 10 or 11 faster than before. So the first step is go to system configuration, type system config, and here click on selective startup and go to boot section, and here you can find your operating system and go to advanced option, and here you can find number of processors. So check number of processors and select the maximum number of processors you have and hit OK. Then go to services and search which service you don't want to run on the background. So if you want to make your startup faster, then go to startup and open task manager. Here you can find your last BIOS time. So find and disable those softwares which you don't want to start. This software automatically starts when you turn on your PC. Now if you done all these steps, go to settings and here go to privacy, and if these settings are turned on, then turn off all these four settings. Go to speech and turn off. Go to inking and typing personalizes and turn it off. Go to diagnostics and feedback and turn this off. Go to activity history and you can also turn store my activity history on this device. Go to locations and turn location off. Go to camera and you can choose if you want to turn off or not. Go to microphone, and if you use microphone too much, then don't turn it off. Go to voice activation, and if you don't use speech recognition type of things, then you can turn it off. Go to notifications, and if you like notifications, then you can turn it on, no problem there. Or if you don't want this notification, then you can off this setting. After that, go to account info and you can turn it off. Go to contacts and turn it off. Go to calendars and you can choose what to do with calendars. Go to phone calls and you can turn it off. Go to call history and turn it off. Go to emails and you can turn it off. You can check your emails on the browser, so don't use desktop email settings. Go to task and turn it off. Go to messaging, turn it off. Go to radios, don't turn it off because you cannot use Bluetooth without it. Go to other device and you can choose what to do with it. Go to background app and choose which apps you don't want to run on your background. And now you are done with these settings. Now search here for storage sense, and if this setting is not on, just turn it on and you can configure your storage settings from here and change these settings according to your choice. And if you instantly clean your hard drive, then you can clean now. And the next step is so much important for those users who are using hard drive on their PC. For SSD users you can do it, but it is best for hard drive users. So go to search and type disk defragment and hit enter. Choose your drive and select analyze and then press optimize. So disk management basically optimize your drives to run more efficiently. So you can use this option to optimize your drives. The next step is go to browser and search Pegasus and hit enter and click on Pegasus system utilities, and here click on download free, and you can easily download the software free. After downloading and installing the software, click Run as administrator. After opening the software, go to Optimize PC, and here you can find optimization option with three modes. So I'll choose maximum to disable all unused and unwanted services on my PC. And now hit optimize. After optimizing, you are done with the settings, and the final step is your power options. Go to power option, search power and go to additional power settings. And if you are using a desktop, then you can go to ultimate performance, and if you are using a laptop, then you can choose balance option. You can also choose ultimate option, but it will consume a lot of energy from your battery. So don't use this mode on the battery power. And from here go to choose what the power buttons does. So you can configure your power buttons as hibernate mode on plugin or on battery, or you can enable hibernate from here. So on the power option you can see this hibernate mode. So if you want to turn on your PC faster, then you can use this hibernate mode instead of pressing shutdown, because it will resume your desktop where you left. So after doing all these steps, I think your PC is now much faster than before. So if you find this video helpful for you, like it and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video.